It's been a little while since I last had the chance to photograph any waterfalls around Perth, but for the past few days it has been raining, and what seems to have been the longest, driest and hottest summer ever is finally over, and I'm heading out to one of my favourite local little creeks to take some photos. Fingers crossed there will be a little bit of flow. I'm not expecting it to be pumping, and I've never been to this creek this early in the year before, but I'm pretty confident there will be at least a little bit of water. And if it isn't flowing, there's a lot of nice places around to take photos of as well anyway. And the sky's looking pretty interesting too. There's lots of high cloud and there's also some dark storm clouds hanging around. So if the waterfall doesn't work out, I should be able to get something regardless. Well, I'm not even there yet and I can already hear it flowing, so it's definitely more than a trickle, and I'm getting a little bit excited now. Didn't really know what to expect coming here so early in the year, but it's definitely flowing. The thing I love most about this waterfall in particular is just how lush and green it is here. It's very unique in comparison to a lot of the other waterfalls around here in the Perth area, and that's mostly due to these massive fern trees you can see behind me here. The fern trees are actually not native to WA, and technically they're a weed, and that's why you don't see them in most of the other creeks, but they are a very pretty weed, so I'm happy to take photos of them, and they're not too invasive anyway. Here we are at the waterfall now. Well, that's it, job done, and I'm stoked to see that this one was flowing so well. I really didn't know what to expect, so that's good. And I even got a shot that I've had in mind for a while now, but I just haven't got down here for it, so I climbed halfway up the waterfall and got a shot facing back down towards all the ferns. Pretty happy. I think it's going to turn out well. But that's all for today. I'll see you next time, if there is a next time. Catch ya.